Hello guys, this video is about Excel's or Google Sheets number formats. So this video is a tutorial of how to fix the time when you are inputting a number and for some reason when you put the number that starts with like a 0, you press enter and the 0 just disappears. And that's weird because I don't want it like that. How do I change it? How do I make it where Excel or Google Sheets just doesn't change my numbers? So it's very simple. Before entering the number in the cell, you want to simply go to number format where it says general and simply press text. That way, when you input the number, it will keep it the same way it was. So how to do that in Google Sheets? I want to simply press that 1, 2, 3 icon, that number format, and simply press plain text. That way, when you input your number, same way, it will be exactly how you want it to be. And that is a tutorial, so it's very simple. Everything else is pretty self-explanatory. If you want to change the currency, it's all in that number formats thing. So that's how to do it.